back to the channel, everyone. Finally doing a video on this Weber 22-inch. This is a collar rotisserie from OnlyFire. Fits right on your Weber 22, 120 volt. So have power nearby or extension cord. I put coals both on each side of it for a nice rotisserie. There's your spit piece right there. Go right through your bird. There's different attachments. I would like to find other things like baskets and stuff I can put on there. But for right now, I'm going to be doing the bird. Yeah. So here we go. 8-pound chicken right here. Soaked it in a brine, homemade brine there, 18 hours. Washed it down thoroughly before putting it in the brine. Get all that factory stuff off. It's been sitting in from processing, and then soaked it for 18 hours there, like I said. Lemons, thyme, rosemary, cup of salt, about 4 to 6 quarts of water in a 12-quart soup pot to a simmer. And then you got to let that cool down. Do not put your meat in there while the water is even lukewarm. You want that chilled. You want that cold. I love doing it in the winter because I can set the pot outside and it cools down pretty quickly. But for right now, I let it sit way ahead of time before getting the bird all prepped and ready to drop in there. And dump a whole big thing of ice in there, which will also add a little dilution for your water, or for your brine, I mean. That way it's not super salty, but you don't want to go too much because then you water down the brine. You won't have that flavor into that meat. And then I set it in the fridge for a few hours just to really get chilled. And then I drop the bird in there and let it soak overnight, 18 hours. It's a little bit of a process, but it's well worth it. Well worth it. So I've used this collar from OnlyFire for about 6-7 years now. I know it's been on the channel. I made a short about it, but it's I've got no videos of actual footage. So I was making this one today. This is a really good collar for your Weber 22. It's all electric, 120 volt. And as you can see, a little motor can spin a chicken, 8 pound, no big deal. I haven't done anything bigger than that, so I can't really test it. Maybe I'll put a turkey on that this year. Turkey rotisserie. Well, this was gaining a lot of footage, and I figured people have been waiting around for me to actually show them what this collar can do, and I highly recommend it for anybody that has a Weber 22 and wants to get a little bit different cooking flavor. Stay tuned for more. We still got ways to go here. We're getting there though. Turn that bad boy back on. Again, this thing is pretty sweet. I've only done chickens. I wanted to do sausages and stuff. So, I'll try different things this time. We'll see what happens. But I think pretty much just doing chickens and a turkey maybe will be perfect. piece chicken legs, little wings here, just like little hot wings without the hot. Our brine was 19 hours. It was fully soaked into here. Lemons, thyme, rosemary. No bay leaves this time. They were out of bay leaves. Garlic, fresh garlic. But this is definitely delicious. And I'm not advertising for the rotisserie. I'm just saying the rotisserie is pretty good if you want to try something different. Why go buy a rotisserie when you can make one? And that is that. A little silly. A little silly. All snuggled up.